Okay, magandang umaga sa inyo lahat. At ito na naman po ang adventure ni Pinoy Captain America dito sa Car-Free Sunday. Woo! Magandang adventure na naman to ni Pinoy Captain America. Okay, let's go! Okay, at nakabike lang tayo ngayon. Si Pinoy Captain America ay naka-folding bike. Nandito pa rin tayo sa Makati, San Antonio Village, Makati. At papunta na tayo ng Ayala Car-Free. Nandito na tayo sa Pasunta going India. Nandito pa rin tayo sa Buendia, Makati. At papunta na tayo sa Ayala Car-Free Sunday. Kakaroon tayo ng push bike race sa mga kids. Okay. Woo! Wait. Okay, good morning. Ito ang meet natin, sister. Your name, please?
Connie.
Yeah. Wow. You see, we're so lucky having the Captain America, Lady Captain America. Good morning. You got a nice shirt there.
Yeah, you too.
It's my friend. Hi. How are you? What are you doing? Can you stop? Can you tell something about yourself?
Oh, still off.
Yeah?
Have a good day. He's driving here, and then I see him. I go, oh, so amazing. So have a good day. Bye-bye.
Woo! We are so lucky! Thank you very much, my friend!
Bye.
Bye-bye!
Nice to
See
see
ya!
ya.
Okay! Woo! Napakaswerte natin at na-meet natin si Lady Captain America! Naka-t-shirt siya ng Captain America and then nakita ko. Kaya, thank you! Okay, kakaliko lang natin dito sa Ayala Avenue. Galing tayo ng Buendia at nakasabay pa natin si Brother Arnel. Woo, good morning, Brother Arnel. Okay, dito na tayo. Okay, this is Ayala, Makati. Woo. So dito mag-start ang Ayala Car Free Sunday. Ano? Okay, dito ang starting point ng ating Ayala Car Free. Good morning! Napaka-safe dito sa Ayala Avenue at sa one lane ang jogging and the other side is doon lang pwede mag-bike and para-safety tayo. Ayun, napaka-kinis ng daan dito sa Ayala Avenue. Okay, let's go! Okay, napahinto tayo rito at andito ang ating idol, Yorme! Good morning!
Good morning mga kasama. Padyak na muna ako pare ko. May hahabulin lang ako. Magandang umaga ulit.
Okay, maraming salamat at maraming salamat kay Lord at okay ka na! Okay, padyak ulit tayo, Yorme! Maraming salamat! Ayan ang ating kaibigan, si Yorme. Napakabuting kaibigan niya. Okay, bike lang tayo doon at medyo magja-jogging muna tayo. Si Captain America magja-jogging muna. Okay? Okay, jogging lang muna tayo para yung iba healthy. Jogging lang muna tayo. Medyo pawis tayo agad. Konting jogging lang. Anyway, that's a good sign. At pag pinawisan tayo, that's a good sign. Woo! Healthy tayo nga. Jogging, you know, Captain America. Dito sa Ayala Car Free with all my friends. Woo! Hey, good morning! Okay, makikita natin na lahat sila ay nakasmile dito sa Ayala Car Free Sunday with Pinoy Captain America. Good morning! Yeah! Okay, okay yung mga good morning damugo. Yung mga friends natin, mga damugo. Pinanguhulaan ni Yorme. Okay. Okay, this is it. Woo! It's a nice morning. At no rain. Yeah, good morning! Hi, good morning. Have a nice day. Good morning.
Yan sa tatay eh.
Okay. Woo! Man, we got the zipper. Hey man, what's up? Okay. Okay, one of my friends here. Good morning. Okay, good morning. Thank you very much, my friend.
Go Captain America.
Hey, let's go. Yes.
Captain
Good morning, sister. Yeah. Woo. Can I make a video? Oh. Okay. Good morning. Good morning. He's my friend.
Shout out Mandaleño.
Yun.
Isang Mandaleño shout out.
Yeah, having a nice day here. Ayala Car Free. Thank you very much, my friend. Woo. Okay, medyo nakapag-jogging na tayo and this time going to take a bike muna tayo. Medyo pinawisan na tayo sa jogging kanina. So ito lang at napakasarap mag-bike dito at nagbabike lang si Pinoy Captain America. Okay, nandito na tayo sa Manila Peninsula at nandito ay napakagandang waterfall. Woo! Beautiful Sunday right here. It was Ayala Car Free Sunday with Pinoy Captain America. Okay, good morning! Nandito pa rin tayo sa Ayala Car Free. At ito ang kaibigan natin, si Spidey.
What's up mga kasapot? Good morning.
Yeah, Spider-Man din yan. Kaya lang nagdi-disguise siya ngayon. Undercover siya.
Hihin tayo. Laki na kasi nandiyan ni Spider-Man. Kaya ng sapot. Pag sumapot ako, napuputol. Bigat na daw, bigat.
Yan, okay. Napakaganda ng umaga natin. Namit natin si Spidey. Exercise lang tayo, brother. Sige, okay. Thank you. Bye. Woo! Okay, nandito yung mga kaibigan natin. Good morning!
Good morning!
Good morning! Okay. Kita-kita naman mga magkakaibigan! Captain America. Oh, thank you. Yeah, sister po ako kayo. Okay.
Captain America. Yes, muna kami ni Tony.
Okay na. Ito mga kaibigan, ang kaibigan natin si Ferdy, ang The Venom.
The Venom.
Ito ang matigas na kalaban ni Captain America at ni Iron Man.
Para sinadya, naka-uniform. Ano, yung background naman yung fountain.
Yeah. Fountain naman.
Dito sa fountain tayo.
Okay, you know what? This is my friend Ferdy.
Shout out!
Yeah.
Brown out!
Napakabuti kaibigan na to si Ferdy. At siya si kalaban ko. Venom!
Okay naman.
Okay, matigas oh. Ano?
Kayo naman.
Ano naman? Okay.
Ito mga tiraga.
Ayun oh. Pwede na. Ngayon lang tinuro sa akin dito. Okay, ito yung mga morning na here. Francis, kaibigan natin si Francis. Francis is in the house. Okay, that's it. At Manila Peninsula. At medyo napakaganda ng tubig. At kasama ko. Dito, brother boy! The Iceman! Magja-jogging muna siya para kompleto ang lap. So, nandito tayo sa harap ng Manila Peninsula at nakikita natin. Woo! Napakaraming tubig at medyo pinapawisan na si Captain America. Kaya maliligo muna si Captain America. Woo! Woo! Sarap maligo pala rin. Buti na lang may dala akong shower. Woo! Gusto maligaw si Captain America. Press ko na lang, okay? Thank you! Okay, nandito na tayo dadaan sa Ayala Triangle. Okay. Woo! Yes, good morning brother, good morning, have a nice day. Woo! Okay, napakarami nating kaibigan dito. Okay, nandito na tayo sa bandayog ni ating bayani Benigno Aquino, Ninoy Aquino. Yan ang ating monumento rito sa Ayala. Okay. Okay, good morning! Ito ang kaibigan natin, napakagaling bumiti. Nice! Good morning, brother. Good morning. Okay, okay. Bye! Okay, mga kaibigan, sinisigawan ako na ito. Akala ko may to the rescue. Ito mga kaibigan natin from Paranaque. Every time na may rides tayo, nakakanilit namin sila. Woo! Mga kaibigan natin. Gilbert! Wah! Arto. Okay. Medyo meron tayo rito na
mamaya maglalaba pa.
Maglalaba pa pagkatapos nito. Okay. Thank you very much! Woo! That's it. Napakasayang Sunday. Woo! Pati na-meet natin ang ating mga kaibigan. At napakasayang Sunday nito. Together with Pinoy Captain America. Okay, see you again next Sunday. At kita-kits tuloy tayo. Thank you very much. Good morning!